Random notes on Ralph Ellison's novel Invisible Man. Invisible man's anonymity. He stands for us all. We are invisible to each other and to ourselves to one degree or another. Visibility often equals identity. Relation to Kafka's Joseph K. from The Trial, Nietzsche. Baudrillard, society itself is carceral. Invisible Man as a black novel. Invisible Man as a political novel. All life seen from the whole of invisibility is absurd. That's a quote from the novel. All life seen from the whole of invisibility is absurd. Epilogue. Lack of identity, self, has enabled others to use him and to take advantage of him. Everything that happens has to be that way. Nothing else is possible. Why did he feel that he was invisible to Mary? Page 431 of the vintage 1972 edition. The metaphor of the whole. Invisible Man is not a novel about invisibility as much as about blindness. People actually prefer blindness most of the time. Invisibility is really people's blindness. Is everybody really blind, though? Yes. Is there an attitude toward women inherent in the narrative which is similar to that of Steinbeck's Of Mice and Men? Philosophical defiance. On a plane with Camus, page 389. There is no integrity. The impossibility of race. Identity determines behavior. Identity directs perception. Solipsistic invisibility. Invisibility as aloneness. But there is no brotherhood, especially when everyone is invisible. Modern narcissism / fragmentation. Clarify Camus' L'Étranger, The Pawnbroker. In the movie The Pawnbroker. Invisibility transcends race. Rod's ideology, his own mask of invisibility, hiding himself from himself. Page 274. Nobody heard the speech. It was invisible. Comparing this group to the crazies at the Golden Day. What's the significance of the name? Mary represents pure selflessness. Self-mocking image. Narrator is capable of selfhood in a way that other characters aren't. Identities are interchangeable when everyone is invisible. They are defined externally. Surrealism really is just realism. Events, more often than not, have the character of the irrational and the dream. The disillusionary recognition that most people are in league with utter irreason inherent in the universe rather than against it. Clarify Dostoevsky's Underground Man. Invisibility is blindness. People are invisible because nobody communicates. No communication because they all have something to conceal. Cynicism, hiding from themselves. And of course, the element of alienation and the enemy are prominent in this novel. Deliberate insincerity becomes the sincerest and the only form of sincerity left. Vision, visibility as the inward eye of the imagination. Allegory, surreality, and Dada elements merge. The groping mind. Kierkegaardian despair and denial. Metaphor of invisibility. We all refuse to see each other. Figments or else pigments of their imagination. Thank you for your time.